Transponder, a big part of racing in Southern California for well over 4 decades. To decide the championship, here is your lineup. Starting on the pole, the 95D out of Riverside, that's Tom Digger Davis. Outside him, the 29T car, that's Tyson Talkington from Riverside. Row number 2 on the inside, the number 81, the defending champion, that's Ricky Lee out of Banning. And outside him, the guy who's trying to win the championship, the 29 from Yucaipa, Chuck Becker. Here we go, standing by for the green flag. Final Super Stock Race of the year underway right now. Track's still a little bit slippery. Ricky Lee going to lead. Actually, that's Tyson Talkington leading down the back straightaway. Second spot is Davis. Becker trying to go around the outside of him. From the back, Billy Griffin has already passed 2 cars. Soon to be 3. Third spot's Ricky Lee. 4th spot, it is Davis. 5th spot, it is Estes. Contact in the corner. Wesoloski got into a Blaine Whitson, and Billy Griffin slides to a stop on the outside. We're going to have to go yellow. So that was nothing that Billy Griffin's doing. Griffin would have gotten by 3 cars. Boy, he had somebody just slide up right in front of him going into turn 1 that lap. Gotten by 3 cars. He's got to start all over again. The blue 59 car, Kinkade, up to challenge Ricky Lee for 3rd. Sheet metal on the right side of that car, flapping in the breeze. Got into somebody, or somebody got into him. Actually, he's when he got into with Wesoloski, caused the yellow flag. Seven down this time by. This battle on the racetrack right now, that's the 81, the outgoing champion, Ricky Lee, and the 59, Kinkade, battling for 3rd. Now Kinkade goes to the inside of Lee, move the number 59 car up 1 spot. He has 1 win here this year. He comes all the way from Pahrump, Nevada when he shows up at Perris Auto Speedway. That's the 3rd place car, the blue 59 of Tony Kinkade. All of a sudden, Chuck Becker has caught Tyson Talkington. They'll be halfway the next time by. Watch the starter. He's going to show the drivers cross flags. That tells them they're halfway through the race. And Tony Kinkade has caught the 2 leaders now. Contact between Welch and Griffin on the front straightaway. Talkington slaps the front straightaway wall. He drops back to 4th. Car around in the corner. We're going to have to go yellow. Estimating Talkington, the 92 car, may have a flat right front tire. 33 car. Kinkade takes a look at the inside coming off turn 2. Kinkade, good run on the low line. Chuck Becker trying to hold him off. And Becker leads lap number 11. Looks like something not going well with the car of Welch, the 27. He's heading back to the work area. And we are yellow. And car hidden from our view by the ambulance, is it? Back to the inside of Becker in turn number 3. Can Becker hold him off once again? Looks like he's going to do it. Wesoloski knifing his way through the field. Whitson goes around, gets clobbered by Davis. Another car plows into him. That was the 88 of Gitmed. We go yellow again. Stop by the Bud Light sign and the Mike's Produce hauling sign. Green flag. See if Kinkade can continue his onslaught against the leader, Becker. Kinkade, good runoff for Becker, edges him across the line again. A couple cars to the inside of the racetrack. That's Davis and Estes. Estes, flat left rear tire. Davis going to continue on. Maybe. Here comes Kinkade again. Kinkade finally leads a lap. So new leader with 6 laps to go is Tony Kinkade Jr. Griffin in that street stock up to 4th. I'm not sure if I'm reading it right. They finish like this, or maybe a tie for the title. Once out front, Tony Kinkade out from Nevada, making the drive worthwhile as he lengthens it out over second place Becker. Two laps to go this time by. Last lap flag, 1 to go. Checker's going to come down this time by. Once he took the lead, pulls away by over half straightaway. Victory's going to go to Tony Kinkade Jr. Second spot is Becker. Third spot is Lee. 4th spot's going to go to Billy Griffin. If my math is correct, they tie for the championship. 5th spot will be Wesoloski. 6th spot will be Morris. Skillman will finish 7th.
Track's yellow. 59 in the front straightaway.